my motivation. I damn near lose my patience. She tryna drive me crazy if I let her, but I won't. It got me soft and sweet.
Nice waterfall. We enjoy very much. Yes, very nice place. Yeah, Rocky. We have not enough time.
They don't gotta see what we're on. No, no. How we gonna undo everything we went through? Know that I don't want you, but I do. I'm not flirting with you, I'm just playing with you, but you know I got to keep it cool. I would never lie to somebody I'm into, but I never said I'm into you. No, I never said that. She laying in my bed, got her head up on my neck. She asking what we are. I said
Shahid's name? Shahid?
Surprise cap.
Surprise cap. Actually, surprise. नाम है surprise. देख तो
Surprise cap.
Really surprise.
Yeah.
Actually surprise. We are surprised.
So ladies and gentlemen, yeah, this way please. And now we get this way in,
We are going-
100 steps to entrance, and this way out, and go down 100 steps to the ends. Yeah, we cannot return back because the way in, the way out over there is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
here. And now I give you the tickets, and please check in and check in and return me the tickets again. Yeah, because this we use 2 times. Yeah.
না টিকিট ওনার কাছে আছে, তার কাছে টিকিট। আসো, আরে তোমরা ভিডিও উঠবে, আমি উঠব না। কাম কাম। We'll go to surprise camp. এই ভিডিও আপলোড করার ই নষ্ট। এটা 5 স্টার আছে।
Yeah, exactly. So you get in that train, you did 3 times and you get all this. So, people can get in the train, you need
তোলো তোলো, ওয়ারটাই তোলো, আমি ভিডিও করতেছি। চিন্তা করা যায় কি পাথর পড়ে গেলে সবগুলো মরমে একবারে। আমার তো ভিডিও আর করা যাবে না, মেমোরি কার্ড তো নাই আমার। এটা হলো সেই ছবি যে ছবি ইন্টারনেটে দেখায়। উঠাও না তুমি এখনো, লোক থাকবে কিন্তু শেষ না আছে আর অল্প আর অল্প। কই এটা তো আমি
Tu te caches pas, mais regarde, viens là. Allez, allez, 1, 2, attends. Hop. Amandine, elle est où?
Oh yeah, wait. Vietnam flag.
Vietnam flag. Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Welcome.
Welcome from Belgium. I come from Belgium.
Belgium.
Line here somewhere.
This is the first here. Aqua oyster have a small size. I said you the first. This aqua about 10 months old. Now don't have bird inside. Because with aqua we need the enough 18 months old we can use for implanting. Implanting it means step making culture pearl. Culture pearl. and 10-month-old lobster inside here. And the second you see here, this Tahiti oyster or black oyster, I said you the second. This Tahiti about 3 years old, now maybe have pearl inside. With Tahiti, we need the enough 2 years old we can use for implanting. And you can see here, this Tahiti nearly die, yeah? Because they open a mouth, cannot close the mouth here. Yeah? This. The top here you see, the South Sea oyster, the kind of oyster begin in our pearl farm. The South Sea about 5 years old, now maybe have pearl inside. We need about 3 years old after we can get the pearl with this South Sea. And this South Sea, yeah, with South Sea we need the enough 3 years old we can use. Now you can see aqua oyster here. This aqua about 18 months old and enough ready for implanting. Now you see they are prepared for implanting. They open a little mouth of oyster and then a bit like this. And after she breathe, they can see. You can see the oyster open a little. We do this and then we change the operating room. Worker will continue work with the oyster here. And I do it in the first step I said you. Only 10% of the in the first step, we open a chong oyster and then we cut 2 parts. One part here, one part here. This part we cut off, we call membrane or membrane of oyster. After cut off, we have a many parts like this. You can stand around to see here. And after each part membrane here, we cut to clean, make the line like this, and then divide the membrane after clean. A lot of bit like this. And then he cut to make small in ovary of oyster or gullet of oyster. Then put one piece of membrane in ovary of oyster. Then put one nuclei in ovary of oyster together with the piece of membrane put before. We have a oyster after implanting. So you can stand behind him to see he do again.
Open with the circle. And nothing. The place for put the pearl inside, it called gonad. So gonad is the place for form the baby. Both male and female oyster can form the pearl. With female it have yellow color and with the male it have the white one. So you can see the place here. So we need to cut them. Please, I will clean it for you. You can take photograph of that. You see, like this. Great color. Great color. Silver color. They're very beautiful. I just shown you inside this room we have 5 grades. It called A and B. A, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So 4A is the top. So with this one now, she will clean it again and you can see how many A or B. She will check it.
Yes. Now, are you done?